Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sanghamitra and I am back with another interesting series of videos for you guys. So this series of video is also gonna be review, but this is gonna be a review of the Netflix shows which are currently streaming on Netflix. So as we all know that it's been locked down past couple of months and we have been at home and we've been the only thing we've been doing is watching web series and movies, right? So I have few of the Netflix series web series which I have watched past couple of months. I'm going to review them for you guys, and of course you can go ahead and decide which ones to watch and which ones to not watch. So the first web series which I'm going to review for you guys is Friends, the legendary Friends. Yes guys, so Friends first episode was shot 25 years ago in the year 1994 guys, and people still tend to love it and watch it. So let me tell you guys some facts about Friends. So it's been 17 years since this Friends have been shot, like since the last episode was shot, but it has changed the face of American sitcom guys. It has been so popular globally that even today the cast of Friends earn around 20 million per year, which is 2% of the revenue which is earned per year today. So the cast is pretty interesting. We have Jennifer Aniston playing the role of Rachel Green. We have Courtney Cox playing the role of Monica Geller. We obviously have Matthew Perry playing the role of Chandler Bing. We have Matt LeBlanc playing the role of Joey Tribbiani. We have Lisa playing the role of Phoebe Buffay. And last but not the least, we have David Schwimmer playing the role of the famous Ross Geller, guys. So this is a very soothing show which is gonna, give you peace, and it's gonna make you laugh because it has so much humor onto it. It has covered the aspect of friendship, how friendship is so important for everybody. So it revolves around 6 friends, and the best part of this show, which I feel guys, is it is not centric to one of the characters in the show. I think all 6 of them get equal importance. They have their own role to play, and this is one of the best thing. And the other is, I think the humor in the show is so organic and so effortlessly done that it's commendable. So whenever you're upset, you feel alone, all you have to do is just go watch one episode. It has 10 seasons guys, and all seasons are currently streaming on Netflix. And globally Friends have been so popular that I seriously cannot think about anything which you cannot like about Friends. So there are some special appearances also which was done by Brad Pitt at that time, Paul Rudd, so they have done some guest appearances as well. So it's not an American sitcom. It has been popular globally. That Friends is also used in many countries to teach English in schools guys, and also they are used in a lot of call centers for fluent English speaking. So in various countries, people force their kids to watch Friends so that they can learn English as a language. So that's the impact that Friends have changed lives of so many people, because when you feel alone, just go watch one episode and it's gonna change things for you. So I think it's so soothing, and it is so amazing that they just the characters are very organically done. The humor, Joey's famous "how you doing," and Monica being such a perfectionist as she is, Rachel being the beauty queen, and Ross obviously into his dinosaur stuff, and Chandler being all the humor of Chandler is just commendable. You just cannot compare it with anything else guys. So I think if I have to rate Friends on a scale of 1 to 5, I would definitely give it a 5. Not if there is anything greater than 5 or any number I'm ready to give, because Friends is that one show which has impacted lives of so many people, and it has created so much impact globally that even today the producers, directors, and the cast is making money out of it guys. So yes, do watch the show, or let me know in the comment section below how you're loving the show. There are 10 seasons, they are not related to each other. You can just watch one episode and let me know how you guys feel about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button guys. Keep supporting me, and I'm gonna come back with other videos. Thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you.